If your Maytag or Whirlpool washer is displaying an F5 error code, there's no need to panic. It's relatively common and is letting you know that there's a problem with the locking mechanism of the washer. Keep in mind that if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do yourself. Visit partselect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. Then watch our step-by-step repair tutorial video. What does the washer F5 error code mean? The F5 error code on a Whirlpool or Maytag washer is an indication that there is a problem with the washer's door or lid locking mechanism. The washer is designed to ensure the door is securely closed before beginning a cycle to avoid damage and potential injury. If the door or lid will not lock or the machine can't detect that the door is locked, the F5 error will be displayed to alert you of this issue. The F5 error code can be further divided into E1, E2, E3, and E4 codes, which each refer to specific issues related to the locking mechanisms. These subcodes are more specific about the error and often let you know what part is at fault. What does the F5 E1 error code mean? The F5 E1 code indicates that the door or lid either cannot lock or cannot unlock, most likely due to a problem with the door lock, lid switch, or control panel. What does the F5 E2 error code mean? The F5 E2 code shows that the door or lid cannot lock due to a blockage in the door latch or lid switch assembly. What does the F5 E3 error code mean? The F5 E3 error code indicates that the door or lid cannot unlock. Typically, this is due to an issue with the door latch or the control board. What does the F5 E4 error code mean? The F5 E4 code is a safety feature that indicates that the washer has run for several consecutive cycles without opening the door or lid. It communicates that the user must attend to the washer in between wash cycles. Some common issues to check when the F5 error is displayed. 1. Is the washer door or lid closed properly? The F5 error will be displayed if the door is not shut completely. Inspect the door or lid area to see if there is any clothing item or object blocking the door. 2. Is your washer overloaded? The F5 error can be displayed if the washer drum contains too many clothing items. Ensure that you're not going over the loading limit for your model. 3. Is the washer experiencing a glitch? If the F5 error is caused by an electronic glitch or minor malfunction, you can reset the washer to resolve the issue. You can reset the washer by unplugging it for 1 to 2 minutes and then plugging it back in. It is recommended to follow the troubleshooting instructions before attempting this. Troubleshooting the F5 error on front-load washers. 1. Door strike. The strike is a small plastic component on the washer door that fits into the opening of the door latch and keeps the washer door locked. If it's damaged or misaligned, the door may be unable to lock or unlock, resulting in the F5 error code. 2. Door latch. The door latch is found around the door opening, where it engages with the strike to keep the washer door closed. The latch may experience physical damage or electrical fault, leaving it unable to keep the door shut and resulting in the F5 error. 3. Control board. In both top-load and front-load washers, the control board allows you to control the various functions of the washer. If the control board is damaged or experiencing electrical failure, the locking mechanism on the washer may malfunction, resulting in the F5 error. Troubleshooting the F5 error on top-load washers. 1. Lid switch. The lid switch is a safety mechanism that detects whether the washer lid is securely shut and allows the wash cycle to begin. If the lid switch is faulty, the F5 error will be displayed and the washer may not start, spin, drain, or stop appropriately. Do not attempt to bypass the lid switch mechanism, as this increases the risk of damage to the washer and injury to the user. 2. Lid actuator. The lid actuator is an essential component of the locking mechanism found under the washer lid. When the lid is closed, the actuator activates the lid switch, which communicates with the control board that the door is securely shut. Over time, the actuator may break or fall off, resulting in the F5 error. The actuator will need to be replaced if it is defective. 3. Control board. The control board has the same function in both front-load and top-load washers. Like mentioned earlier, the board helps control various functions with your top load. If the control board is damaged or defective, it can result in the F5 error code. Thanks for watching. We hope we've helped you resolve your F5 error code on your front-load or top-load washer. For more information on the F5 error code, check out our blog on partselect.com.